Hello students, hope you are doing well. So let's start another problem. Build a 3D CAD model using orthographic or isometric view given below. So this is the object given, okay, and build a component in CAD's 3D CAD model and apply material to steel to the component and record the surface area. Next is export the 3D CAD model into at least two view with all the dimensions. So let's do this. So you can see this is 96 mm this side, this is 64, and this height is 48. Okay, so let's start the sketch. So I have to sketch on the front plane, so it will be okay, view normal to sketch plane. Now here, now what I will do, I will make the L shape object. So we are going to trim the unwanted, give the dimension. So this is the 96, this is given the 16, so this thickness is also 16 given, and it was 48. Okay, so this is completed the constraints. So we'll delete some of the constraints. Okay, now it is properly constrained. Say extrude. So here it's select the surface. Now this is 64, this is given in the sketch, so 64. Now next is that we have to draw the sketch on this plane, view normal to sketch plane. So here we have given the slot, okay, that is 16, and it is 16 mm from away, and this is 20 and 16 mm. So let's make that slot. So I will say rectangle from this, like this, give the dimension. So this is 16 mm from this side, and this rectangle is of 16 mm. Okay, so already it is 16, so let's delete this, and this distance is 20 mm. So here I will draw the one circle. Now it is also 16 mm already trim, so this is all we have to trim. Okay, show constraint, we have to delete some of the constraints, so I will delete some of the constraints. Okay, so delete it, so it's okay. So now it is completed. Say extrude, select remove. Okay, select the sketch, select the sketch, so this is the sketch, and we have to remove, okay, all, so there is no remove all. Next we have to draw the sketch on this plane. So we have sketch. Now you can see we have to do the this slot. So this is 40 by 28, and there is a semicircle of 24. So 40 by 28, so rectangle. So this rectangle we have to draw. So dimension of this rectangle is, this is 28, and this is 40. So there is a circle of 24 mm diameter. Dimension, so this is 24. Now trim it. Okay, show constraints. We have to delete some of the constraints. Okay, now done. So next is extrude. So how we, what was it? This is the sketch. We have to extrude. What will be the depth? So let's take the depth. From this it is 22. So 64 minus 22. So it is 42. So 42 thickness we have to provide. So I will provide the thickness 42. Done. Next is sketch on the same plane. We have to sketch on this front plane only because this is, so here view normal to sketch plane. Next is that we have to draw the rib. So I will draw the rib. So let's make it from this to this, from this to this edge, and from this to this edge. Now this is completed. So its thickness is given. I think so 12 thickness is this, and here we are radius is this, that is 32. So we are going to, thickness is, its thickness is 12, and here its radius is given fillet. So I am going to select fillet, fillet, and it's 32. Okay, so in isometric view, if you see the isometric view, so this object is completed. Okay, so next is that we are going to apply the material. Select this, assign material, um, select stainless steel. So this is stainless steel. So we have applied the material stainless steel to this. Now if you want to measure the area, show surface area, select this. So it will showing you 27 27,626, okay, square. Next is we can export this to create 3D card model. Say assign okay, isometric view. Okay, four views you have to select. So here we can apply the dimension to this. So you can see, so this is given. So I think all the dimensions are completed. Okay, so this is the isometric view. You can see this diagram is created. Okay, thank you.